Hello, welcome to my channel.
This is the Age with Tina, where caring for the elderly is being talked about. This channel is, of course, not just for the aged, it is also for young adults like me who are in the aging process. So today we shall be talking about celebrating special days of our parents, most importantly the birthdays. You know, many elderly people, they didn't have the opportunity of celebrating their birthdays. They never had that privilege of being celebrated. Quite a number of them can't even remember their birthdays. So we can consciously and intentionally celebrate the birthdays of our parents. We do not necessarily need to have all the money in the world to celebrate their birthdays. Just a small healthy fruit cake with less calories in it and a bottle of red or fruit wine will definitely do. Get few persons gathered in the house to sing a happy birthday song, just for them to be happy and feel good. It could be the family members that are present in the house. Let us note as well to take beautiful shots to keep memories, and most importantly, let us get into the habit of asking them what they want for a gift on the birthdays. Relax, they would never ever ask of us what we do not have, let alone asking what we cannot afford. Alright, it's just a way of honoring them, it's just a way of making them feel special. If your parents don't live with you, kind of please the same via a phone call. We can't imagine the joy that comes with practicing those little tips. You know, little things of life really matters. Alright, so that's all I have for you today. Did I just hear someone say, I have been doing this before now? Alright, so you can have this is for you. Let us not as well forget, as usual, if we can, look out for an elderly person within our reach to love and care for them in a little way. Alright, kindly subscribe to this channel if you're yet to do that. Comment on this video, like it as well, turn on your notification bell to enable you get notified each time a new video is being uploaded. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.